Hey everybody, welcome to Christians in Cryptocurrency. Not exactly how I envisioned one of our first videos, but there is an emergency on the table with Pundix for anyone that may have got in that, I don't know, tried to contact Zach with customer support that may have lost tens of thousands of dollars. If you are using the X wallet here from the Pundix website, don't even try. It's going to freeze, your KYC is not going to work, and you're going to have trouble. I've been up for hours and hours today to figure this out for our public members. In our Telegram group, we offer free support for cryptocurrency at no charge. We have this figured out. We just made our first log on here swap successfully, and happy to help anyone that may need it. This is the function X wallet. Now the X wallet is not the same as the function X wallet, completely separate. So in the function X wallet, you want to make sure you have enough Ethereum to cover the gas fee, and then you want to make sure that you've sent your Npxs to the function X wallet. I've tried every route possible. I've tried MetaMask. I'm in Florida and crypto.com doesn't work for me because I can't get access. The other one, there's two others. There's three. I don't remember what they were, but anyways, you come over here, click on this guy in the bottom right, and then we will click on swap. Select your address, which is my address. Come down here. Click next. $20 gas fee, pretty cheap. And we will confirm transaction. And let's see. I have to confirm my facial recognition. There we go. Transaction has been sent, and it will take a few minutes. It could take a little while, and then they will show up. We just did this prior to test it out to make sure it works. And if anybody couldn't get a hold of Zach in Singapore that may need some help, we are happy to help. The Telegram group will be in the link below.